Yes, student, today we're going to solve a word problem based on geometry. The problem says in the given figure, here is a figure, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to point S. This is the triangle, its side is produced to point S. If the bisector of PQR, angle PQR, QT is the bisector, and PRS, RT is the bisector, they meet at point T. This QT bisector and RT bisector meet at point T. Then prove that angle QTR means this angle is half of this angle QPR. The relation between these two angles we have to prove. Now one thing you have to note, QT is the bisector of angle PQR. It means these two angles are equal. Let us suppose them as X. And since RT is the bisector of angle PRS, therefore these two angles will be equal. Let they be equal to Y. So let us prove it. What we have to prove over here, angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. So I am starting the proof. See the left hand side portion. QTR is a triangle. In this triangle, TRS is the exterior angle. So we have to use the property of exterior angle. In triangle QTR, angle TRS is exterior angle. Therefore, we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Now, since TRS is the exterior angle, so the angle opposite to it will be this X and T. So we can write Y, or angle TRS is equal to X plus angle T. Angle T. Right now we are writing angle T. At the last we'll write it completely, or let us write it completely. Angle QTR. Now QTR of the portion that we have to prove we get. Now we have to change these two. What is required? QPR. Now come to first X. X is half of Q. Why we can say X is half of Q? Because the angle Q is divided into two equal parts. So any of the part can be called as half of Q. And TRS we have denoted by Y. So the same way Y is also half of angle PRS, this angle R. So in place of TRS we can write half of angle PRS, and in place of X we can write half of angle Q. So this will be half of angle PRS, and this will be half of angle Q plus angle QTR. What is the reason? Since QT and RT are bisector of angle Q and angle R. So that's why we are taking it. Now for easy way, what we are doing, we have to multiply, we have to remove the denominator from the 2. So what we're going to do, we have to multiply the whole equation by 2. When we're going to multiply it by 2 will be cancelled, so it will be angle PRS. Here also when we multiply by 2 will be cancelled, we get angle Q. When we multiply by 2, we'll get twice of angle QTR. We can write it as. Now come to again PRS. From the figure PRS we are observing it is the exterior angle of which triangle? PQR. So in place of PRS we can write angle Q plus angle P, because this exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So in place of PRS we are going to write angle Q plus angle P. Angle Q plus twice of angle QTR. Why we are writing? Since angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle PQR. That's why we are using the exterior property. Now Q and Q will be cancelled. What is left? Angle P equal to twice of angle QTR. Angle P we can write complete as QP R. So in place of angle P, we're going to write the complete angle QP R equal to twice of angle QT R. Remove 2 to the another side, so this will give half of angle QP R equal to angle QT R. Write it in the correct form. Angle QT R, correct form means in the form which we have to prove, QP R. So this is the condition that we have to prove. This way we can prove it. Thank you.